Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Discord profile picture on your phones. It's really easy to do. It just takes a couple of clicks. So all you have to do is go ahead to your Discord application, open that up. And then once you're on Discord, you want to go over to where you see all these tabs on the bottom. Once you see all these tabs on the bottom, you just have to go to the bottom right corner where you see your profile picture currently. And all you have to do here is just click on your profile picture in the top left corner. And then that will bring you over to your photos. If you don't have your photos allowed for this application, it'll bring you over to settings where you have to allow photo access for this application. But once you do that, you will see all your pictures right here. You can then click on any profile picture you want, adjust it, click on choose, and then that will change your profile picture on your Discord account. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your Discord profile picture. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.